Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at Axway Amplify Fusion's new OpenAI connector that was recently released in 1.12. Let me come into Amplify Fusion. Let's go take a look at the connections, and you can see that there are several AI-related connectors for Mistral, Ollama, Anthropic, Azure, Google, and also OpenAI. I think there's others as well. We're going to look at OpenAI. So what we'll do is let's come here and create a project, OpenAI, and it's a Fusion project. And as we typically do, let's create a test integration, and we'll put a scheduler on it, even though we're not going to activate it, just so we can easily test it with the test button. Okay. And let's add an OpenAI component onto the canvas. There's also Amazon Bedrock. But let's look for OpenAI, and here it is. So we're supporting currently the chat and chat streaming. We're going to do a chat demo today. So let's grab chat, and let's expand this. Let's expand the action properties, and of course we need a connection is the most important thing. So let's click add, and let's name our connector. Oh, let's spell it right. All right. And the connector really just needs two things. It needs a model name, and it needs an API key. I have my API key there, so let me paste that in. Oops, sorry, so there's my API key, and now we need a model name. So for both the API key and the model name, you can go into openai.com. You'll need an account, and you'll need to fund it so you can have a key. And I'm going to the API platform. First, your key, you'll find here. You can create new keys, delete keys. Well, you can't view a key after it's created, so don't forget it. And I'm going to go to the API reference because I want to find a model. So we are doing chat. Where did that go? I scrolled right by it. Yeah, chat completions. And in the chat completions, you can see here the models. And there's a small description of what, the model is faster, cost effective. So I'm typically using this one, 4.1 Nano, which is fastest, most cost-efficient version of GPT 4.1. You can also use GPT 5 Nano, which again, cost-efficient version of GPT 5. This is just a demo, so why don't I grab that? And this is what we needed. We needed the model name to be used in our connector. All right, let's update that. And now let's go back, let's ignore this. Let's come back here, click refresh, add our model, add our connector. And here, the prompt is where you tell the LLM how it should behave, what it's doing for you. So you are an intelligent AI agent. And the message is where you actually send what you want. So, and also this is a message, you see it's a document array. So if you want to maintain context in a conversation, if you're building a conversation app and you're using this connector, then you can keep all the messages that are going back and forth in this array, so the LLM has context of what you asked and how it responded. So right now we're only sending one message, we won't worry about that. Let's set this value to user because I am the user, and the message is hello OpenAI. Let's click send and then test it. And if I look at the chat output, it's a success, and the response message is hello. How can I assist you today? So in this video, we took a look at a very simple example of the new OpenAI connector in Axway Amplify Fusion, and we looked at how to configure the connector and make a simple call. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into the OpenAI connector. Thank you.